This video explains the idea of substitution and how it is used to evaluate or work out expressions, and it demonstrates this process using a number of examples. So to substitute means to replace a pronumeral with a number or another pronumeral. And we use substitution to evaluate or work out an expression. That is, we want to find the number that can replace the expression. So for example, if we let the letter capital K equal 10, and we want to evaluate the expression capital K minus 3, then our solution will be to put where the K is, we're going to put the number 10 in. So K minus 3 becomes 10 minus 3, which gives us 7. Now, let n equals 5, and then we want to evaluate this expression here. Part A is 2 times n. So where the n is, we're going to replace that with n equals 5. So 2 times n equals 2 times 5 equals 10. Next expression, 2n plus 3. Remembering that n equals 5, so 2n plus 3 equals 2 times 5 plus 3. That gives us 10 plus 3 is 13. And then this other expression over here, part C, 7 plus 30 divided by n minus 10. So 7 plus 30 over n minus 10 gives us 7 plus 30 over 5, the n is 5, minus 10. Well, 30 over 5 equals 6, so we've now got 7 plus 6 minus 10, and that will give us 3. Another example here, we're going to let x equals 2 and y equals 3, and then there are two questions here where we want to evaluate two expressions. The first expression, 5x plus 4y minus 7, gives us 5 times 2 plus 4 times 3 minus 7 equals 10 plus 12 minus 7 equals 15. And for the second question, 6 times in brackets y times x minus 1 plus 8 times y over x gives us 6 times, where the y is, put 3, where the x is, put 2, so 3 times 2 minus 1 times, plus 8 times 3, where the y is, we're going to put 3 all over 2. When we work that out, we're going to have 6 outside of 6 minus 1 in the brackets, plus 24 over 2. 8 3s are 24. That gives us 6 times 5, 6 minus 1 is 5, plus the 12, 24 over 2, 12. That gives us 6 times what's in the brackets, so 6 times 5 plus 12 is 30, plus 12 gives us 42. This time we're going to let the letter h equals 4 and the letter d equals 3, and we want to evaluate, to work out, what is d squared. Alright, well, d squared is d times d, and we're told that d equals 3 up here, so 3 times 3 is 9, so d squared equals 9. What about 5d squared? Well, 5d squared means 5 times d squared, and we've worked out that d squared above is 9, so 5 times d squared is 5 9s are 45. Next one, h squared minus d squared. H is 4, so that's 4 squared. D is 3, 3 squared. 4 squared is 16. 3 squared is 9. 16 minus 9 gives us 7. And then we'll evaluate this next one over the page here. The square root of this expression, d squared plus h squared, it gives us a square root of 3 squared. D was 3, and then we square it. Plus h squared, h is 4, then square it, is 16. Square root of 9 plus 16 is the square root of 25. Square root of 25 gives us 5. Alright, now below this video there'll be a worksheet, and then below that will be the solutions to the worksheet.